Alright guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you quick and easy ways to make reels like the one I posted, this Don't Be a Dreamer one. And yes, there's music on it. There we go. So I made this reel literally on my phone. I'm going to show you how to do it on the computer and explain to it on the phone as well using an app called Pexels. Pexels is a free website that has photos and videos that others upload that you guys can use for any of your projects, any kind of reel like this. Again, I downloaded this on my phone on Pexels and just simply resized it. iPhone has a feature where it allows you to crop specifically to this size for your iPhone, and then I just added the text within the app. We're going to take it a step further, and I'm going to show you how to do it on your computer to make it a little better, and all the tips and tricks in that. So let's dive in. So if you're ready, let's go. All right, guys, we're back, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to Pexels, www.pexels.com. So the main page is going to look like this. You could join the community. This is a website where you guys, if you guys are content creators, you could upload your own photos and videos for others to download and use for free as well. You've seen this site. If you scour the interwebs of YouTube, you've probably seen it by thousands of other people on making money of reusing photos and videos from this site. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to find a random mansion video. So I search mansion, and the first thing it's going to do is go photos, videos. So I'm going to go to videos, and I'm going to see what kind of luxury homes we have working with. So I see this one, and you could see it's a cool, once it loads, looks like it's about 15 seconds, which is perfect. Not too short, not too long. So you could go ahead and download that for free. So I'm going to go ahead and download that. While that's downloading, I have this website called Kapwing, which I'll link below, Kapwing. It's an online freeware that allows you to basically create reels. It's free. They do have a paid version, but you could just get away with it for free. So go ahead to new content, and we're going to go ahead and I'm going to upload that production up there. The cool thing about something like Kapwing is you could actually just grab a YouTube video and upload it yourselves. I'll have a video later on reel creation of actual like real life reels, and not just like standard text over video ones. So I'm going to actually let this play out 16 seconds so you can see. It's just kind of rendering right now, so we'll let that finish rendering. All right, now that it's done, I'm going to go ahead to the crop area over here. Click crop, and then boom, you could actually have it go 9:16 straight to a snap story. And then once you hit done cropping, now you have your workspace set. Again, that was crop, and select 9:16 and click done cropping. So now that you have that ready to go with that, so I'm just going to move the cursor. One thing I learned is wherever you move the cursor and you start doing something, that's where it's actually going to go. So you want to make sure your cursor is always at the beginning. So you have some cool features like images. You could add your logo to it. You could add audio to it. It'll auto render subtitles if you want to do any motivational stuff. You could add different elements like a timeline, a check mark, and things like that. So I'm going to go to text. So I'm going to add text. I have sample text. I'm going to say double click in there. Let's go, and I'm going to go ahead and make that as big as possible. And I could actually add that wherever. I could change the color to white if I want. Have some dark background. You do a bunch of different things. You turn the opacity down, change the font. And now what you want to do is you basically want to click and drag that all the way down so it's actually goes the full length of the video, unless if you want it to hit at different parts. So this is where you go and you customize. If you want it, if you have a song of choice that you're trying to hit the words to, you go in and edit here. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys YouTube. We're going to go to this royalty-free rap video that I like. I'm going to copy that link and I'm going to go to YouTube to MP3. I'm going to go to my trusty website, YT MP3 converter, and I'm just going to convert that video to grab it, block notifications. Always search in YouTube for royalty-free. This way you could technically use it for free and you shouldn't get in trouble. You shouldn't get hit with anything like that. So once we download that, I'm going to go back to Pexels over here, or Capwing, I'm sorry, and I'm going to go to audio, and I'm just going to click and drag that MP3 up there. And again, you could always copy and paste the YouTube audio too, which we may have to do. And so I'll actually just capture the audio from the YouTube video that we have, which this may take a second to do. Nothing's very quick, but you are dealing with the internet as possible. So it looks like it added it down to the bottom, so I'm just going to go ahead and click and drag and put that line over here. Going to go to the end, and I'm going to make sure I get that right at the end, 16. Oh, whoops. So I want to split the clip there. I'm going to actually delete that. So one thing about, if you have anything on the back end, so see how that's a little white? So you could actually have to bring that in just a tad bit. So when I go back to the beginning, we now have our reel that's ready to go. And all we have to do is export that video, and we'll have our watermark-free video downloaded to our desktop, and then you just airdrop it to your phone and upload that. Again, this is Capwing is a completely free software. I get nothing for showing you guys this, other than a pat on the back of like, Matt, you're awesome for showing us how to make reels for free. Again, this is like the quick, easy version. You could download Pexels app on your phone, and you could basically create the same kind of reels right on your phone, and you'll have an unlimited amount of reels that you could make. So thanks for watching. As always, like and subscribe to the channel, and I will be bringing you more as the time comes on.